Hey everyone, it's Crystal with your Business Spotlight platform. Today we have Ann Taylor with Trident Professional Services. She has owned the business for the last 5.5 years, and we're so excited to hear from you today, Ann.
Thank you for having me.
And we're excited to have you here today. And to our audience, my name is Limo, and I'm going to be asking Ann on my first question is, give us an overview of your services to your clients.
Well, good morning. Thanks for having me. We provide a wide range of services designed to assist individuals and businesses help navigate the legal landscape. So some of our services are process serving, court filing, document retrieval, PI work, and notary services.
That's amazing. And also, what are the benefits of these services to your clients?
Well, understanding that a lot of the cases are having time restraints,
Yes.
We feel that a benefit using our services is that we are timely, reliable, and efficient in getting everything back to the individual or the law firm in a timely manner so that they can get the documents filed.
That's awesome.
Yes.
That's awesome. We appreciate what you do for the community. And one of the biggest things why we started this Spotlight service is basically to understand the reason behind the why you do what you do. Can you give us a reason or what inspired you to start this service?
Well, to be honest, it actually just kind of fell in my lap.
Okay, that's how a lot of businesses start.
So a long time ago when I was growing up, I thought I was going to be in corporate law. So I've always had some sort of passion for law in the legal field.
Okay.
I started out with Tarrant County Probation, which is Tarrant County CSCD, which is Community Supervision and Corrections Department.
Okay.
And while I was working there, I loved it, but I just felt like there was something more and that I belonged somewhere else.
Okay.
I still didn't know that I was going to be here at that time, but all three of my children worked for Tarrant County Sheriff's Department.
Okay.
And, having been through a divorce myself and understanding that there are challenges, especially with pro se cases,
Okay.
I kind of felt the desire to try and help these individuals navigate this. So, when the opportunity came about, I decided to follow through, and it's just taken off since then.
That's awesome. That's awesome. We all know that the main reason why we started this Spotlight is because we want the owners of the businesses out there to have an opportunity to share their personal experience. As you hear on, a personal experience inspired her to start her business. So we're going to continue asking more questions from Crystal about the business.
Awesome. I love it. Love to hear the story. That is awesome to hear how you got into it and what inspires you to get into it as well. Mm-hmm. And so our next question is going to be, what challenges do you face when helping a pro se case?
Well, there's lots of challenges, whether it's an attorney or a pro se, but the attorney has all of this background and knowledge. And so when we have an individual that is a pro se case, we can't offer legal advice, but we do try and help them navigate the terminology, the document files, the procedure. And we, in a sense, provide some sort of comfort for them that they're like on the right track for, ending a chapter in their life or beginning a new one or getting closure in whatever their case may be.
That is amazing. And just to have that support is everything I could imagine for somebody that is handling their own court case. And so that is just awesome to have somebody there that's full of knowledge and information that can be provided to them in such probably a hard and scary time in their life in some cases.
In some cases, yeah.
Yeah, that is amazing. And so how does your team assist with helping those specific cases?
So when we're in direct contact with a pro se client, we can call them and we can ask them questions, which will help us ensure that we're getting the person served in a timely manner. It does provide them an understanding on what the next step is, and when the person has been served, they are notified, so then it provides them that extra level of comfort that they know that their case is moving on.
That is amazing. And in some cases where they're, probably not hearing from anybody for a while. So that is awesome. Well, our next part of the interview is going to be, as you expand your team, what specifically are you looking for?
So currently what we're looking for is 3 translators and 2 paralegals.
Awesome.
For the translators, we're looking for ASL, Spanish speakers, and Vietnamese speakers.
Oh.
And really the only requirement at this time for them would be that they are certified through the American Translators Society or Association, sorry. And then for the paralegals or legal assistant, we are looking for somebody that has like a flexible schedule, because it is not something that we would need all the time. But as for pro se cases, sometimes like when you're filing documents and wording is incorrect or it's the wrong document, having a paralegal or a legal assistant help them get the correct documentation needed would be important. And I guess the only other criteria that we would really need for any individual joining our team would be that they're passionate, that they're understanding, and effective communication. It's really important, especially for the pro se clients, that they have that level of comfort moving forward in their case.
I could totally imagine that. And what benefits would adding on to those individuals to your team bring to your clients?
Well, cost reduction, for one. Getting a translator from the court system is expensive. And so having someone work with our team, we could provide it at a lower cost versus directly from the court. And then a paralegal, it could save them a lot of money in the long run, especially if they're filing documents incorrectly. So that would be a benefit to them.
Awesome.
I totally messed that up.
No, that was perfect. So thank you so much, Anne. That was great. That was really great information. So we have a few more questions for you. How can a potential client get in touch with you for services that they're looking for?
Yes, our potential clients can reach out to us on our website at tridentprosvcs.law. We're on social media, so they're more than welcome to reach out to us on that platform as well, or our phone number, which was 817-228-2092.
Awesome. Okay. And so last but not least, what advice would you give to everybody that may be looking for legal services?
Oh gosh. I guess it would be the biggest piece of advice I could give would be to make sure that you ask questions. Whether you're going to represent yourself or you're going to seek out an attorney, it would be important that you find someone that puts communication and transparency as a priority to you, and make sure that their service aligns with your specific needs in your case.
Awesome. I love it. Thank you.
Thank you, Crystal. Thank you, Anne.
Thank you.
I hope everyone enjoyed our meeting today. And we're here to continue to connect our community and share the services that are available for you. And congratulations, Anne, because you are actually looking for translators, which means that you're reaching out to all the communities that we have here on Facebook. So thank you, everyone. And for anyone else who needs to be spotlighted on our show, please reach out to us. My phone number is 214-498-4942, and Crystal will share information too.
Yes, and so we'll also be advertising Anne's information. So we'll have all her information for her social media and her contact info. So feel free to reach out to her. She's full of knowledge and full of information, and we're looking forward to our next interview. Thank you again, Anne.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Catch you on the next one.